A great use for ZAC is for instant messaging those who you work with. To send a chat message, you can highlight the extension number either in the buddies list or search for them in the contacts list. When you click the extension, you'll see the chat icon. When you click that, it changes the screen, and down at the bottom it says type your message. When you hit enter or click the send arrow, what's happening on Joe's computer is he gets a pop-up message that says he's receiving an instant message. When he clicks that or has ZAC open, he can see my message and you can see how Joe responded. It does keep chat history. Last Thursday, Joe sent me a message. It also keeps history on outgoing calls. To go back, click the arrow or the icon. When you receive an instant message from someone else, you will see a pop-up in the upper right-hand corner. The location of these pop-ups can be changed under your ZAC settings. Even if I would have ZAC running in the background, I would be aware that I have a new message. When I open up ZAC, I will see my recent icon. When you click that, I don't have my call log filtered. You can filter it with calls or just messages. And I see that this is the message that I missed. It's in red. I need to drill into the window, and when I go back, it's no longer highlighted. There is a group chat feature that is helpful when wanting to communicate with more than one person in your organization. We will talk about that in the next video.